Hello everyone, welcome to Duke's Drums, Lesson 1. Today I'm going to go over with you how to hold the drumsticks, and I'm going to show you both match grip and traditional grip. However, I prefer the match grip because I believe that it's easier to play on the drum kit with match grip, and it allows you to just feel more comfortable and more natural when you play. Before I move forward, I want you to take a minute, if you would, and please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel so I can gain some followers. That would be a big help, and please feel free to share the link as well so that we can increase our traffic volume. Okay, so the first thing to talk about is what type of a stick you will be using. I just got this pair of sticks with my Oasis mesh drum kit, and they're about a medium grade thickness, and that's something that I would recommend for you to start out. Something real heavy would be something or a drumstick that would be used for a marching band or drum corps, and that would be a little bit more advanced than just starting out as a beginner. You can also get a lightweight stick that would be more used for a jazz drummer, but to start out, it's probably best to just start somewhere in the middle and to get a medium grade type of stick. One type of stick I used over the years that I really liked were Regal Tip Rock sticks that had a nylon tip. They were very good, and also ProMark sticks were very good as well. So, spend some time, go to a music store or order something online, but it's probably best to physically go to a music store at first and to try out a pair of sticks and just see what feels comfortable, and see what you like, and maybe you buy a few pair and just try them out and get a feel. So first of all, I'm going to start and show you the match grip. And the match grip just is exactly what it says. It's both hands have the same exact type of grip. On the traditional grip, the left hand varies and it's held differently than the right hand. And the right hand is held the identical way, whether you're using match grip or traditional grip. So if you grab a drumstick and you pick it up and you hold it about maybe a little bit just beyond 2/3 of the way down the stick. So here's a drumstick, and if you put your index finger and thumb about 2/3 of the way, and then you turn the stick and you wrap your hands like this, and if you see it from underneath and from the front, that's how it should look. You don't want to have it held too tight, but just firm enough that you have a hold of the stick and it can move. And you want to make sure you have your last two fingers wrapped around the back of the stick so that the stick doesn't move back and forth like this when you're playing. Then for traditional grip, you're going to do the same thing for the left hand. So you'll grab the stick about 2/3 of the way back, wrap your fingers around as such, and when you turn your hand, you'll see that it looks like that, or like that from the front. Traditional grip, the right hand is held the same way or gripped the same way as match grip, except the left hand differs in the fact that you want to hold the stick, again, about 2/3 of the way back, but you want to hold your left hand like this, and you want to keep the stick in between the index finger and the thumb. Pull the ring finger and the pinky finger down, and then spin the stick like this. And the stick should fall in between the middle finger and the ring finger and be held by the thumb and the back. And then when you play, you strike like this. So again, I recommend using the match grip, and the reason for that is it just feels more natural, I believe, in the end, and it gives your left hand a little bit more power. But please use what you feel comfortable with and try both ways and determine what you like best. Until next time, I look forward to talking to you again, and take care.